नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं इंडस फूड एग्जीबिशन में जो कि हो रही है इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट ग्रेटर नोएडा में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है ट्रेड प्रमोशन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया ने। सर, वेलकम टू इंडस फूड। हाउ इज योर एक्सपीरियंस विद इंडस फूड सो फार?
Thank you. First of all, I would like to say that it's a very great initiative what the Indusfood has taken, and definitely since past 5 years we've been exhibiting in this great exhibition, and I can see the pace which this exhibition has grown. I would say it's almost I would say it's 100 to 150% growth in terms of not only the exhibitors but also as in terms of the buyers, in terms of the quality of people who come here. And I'm sure I can say proudly that the Trade Promotion Council of India has been really promoting it, and in the future we can say that it is a Gulf food in making. And if it goes on this way, so we as the indigenous manufacturers, the brand owners who would not want the biggest exhibition of the world to happen not only in India but in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and as rightly envisioned by our Prime Minister, India to be a $5 trillion economy. So the exhibitions like this definitely not only marks the image of brand India in the global world, a global economy, but yet it also ensures that all the brand owners, the manufacturers of our own country, they are promoted from the country itself.
And sir, tell me something about your product range.
Goldiee brand, it's now almost 44 years that the company is in existence. The company started from the spices and now it's into various different verticals like pickles, sauces, ketchups, noodles, vermicelli. We are also into non-food category such as puja kits, gulal, havan samagri, incense sticks, and recently under the Global Investor Summit, Goldiee Group has recently made a state-of-the-art factory, which is, I can proudly say, it is Asia's largest spices unit under one roof, to be producing around 250 metric tons per day. So I thank all our customers, all our distributors, the workforce, the hard-working people, and yes, our loyal customers.